Here's a clear Ghana fried rice recipe with ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Rice plant ingredients: 3 cups long grain rice, preferably perfumed or jasmine. 2 cups mixed vegetables, carrots, green beans, peas, bell peppers. 2 to 3 eggs. For scrambling, 2 chicken breasts, or beef, goat, or shrimp. Optional protein: 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 medium onions, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 thumb-sized ginger, grated. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste. 1 seasoning cube, optional, for flavor. Cooking instructions. Step 1. Cook the rice. Wash rice thoroughly. Parboil until it's about 70% cooked, not too soft. Drain excess water and set aside. Step 2. Prepare the protein. Wash and cut chicken into small strips. Season with salt, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Stir fry in a little oil until cooked through, then remove and set aside. Step 3. Scramble the eggs. Beat eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt. Pour into hot oil in a wok pan. Stir continuously until scrambled, then set aside. Step 4. Fry the vegetables. In the same pan, add a little oil. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger until fragrant. Add mixed vegetables and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Combine everything. Add the parboiled rice into the pan. Pour soy sauce over rice and toss well. Add scrambled eggs and fried chicken. Stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes until rice is evenly golden and fragrant. Step 6. Serve hot. Enjoy with grilled chicken, fried fish, or shito, Ghana black pepper sauce.